talk about feelings.
What are feelings?
Wonderful question. How do you feel today?
I feel happy. I feel excited.
That's wonderful.
Why are you happy? I play with my friends. I see my family.
Do you feel sad sometimes?
Yes, sometimes. Yes, a little.
It's okay to feel that way. We all do. I'm here for you. That is okay.
Yay!
Phew, that's a relief.
Look at this. I got the car. Let's play. Yeah, let's play. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next lesson. How do you feel today?